In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace a low resolution image with a high resolution image. Now you might need to do this if you are using our fulfillment services and you just need to upload a high resolution image in order to fulfill the order. So to do that, I'm going to go into my galleries. I'll click my gallery number here, and in this instance I'm going to be replacing one of the images from the Birch family gallery. I'll click Photos, Upload Photos Web. An important thing that you're going to do is you're going to select the category that the image is currently in that you're going to be replacing. So I'm going to select the Isaiah category, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say to overwrite duplicates. What that's going to do is it's going to replace the images that are currently in the gallery with the same name with the images that I'm going to be uploading right now. I'll click here to select an image. I'll replace image 002A, click open, and then I'll click on the upload selected button here. Alright, that's finished uploading. Now we'll go and view our uploaded images. And you can see here that image 002A is currently being processed. That was an image that was previously here that is now being replaced. So in a few minutes that image will have finished being processed and that will be available to your clients on your gallery. And that's all there is to it. Shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com if you have any questions.